Hello students, I think so everyone has taken out your books. Everyone has taken out your computer books and copies. So today students, I will give you some answers regarding my last day's class. I think so everyone has taken out. I will dictate, okay? So you have to be fast. You are going to continue from the same page where you have stopped in my last class. Write today's date at the top corner of your page. Then you write the question. What do you mean by thumbnails? What do you mean by thumbnail? thumbnail. What do you mean by thumbnail? Question mark. How can you create thumbnail? I am repeating the question again. What do you mean by thumbnail? Question mark. Same question. How can you arrange? No need to write create, okay? How can you arrange picture? How can you arrange picture as thumbnail? How can you arrange picture as thumbnail? How can you arrange picture as thumbnail in the scratch area? In the scratch area. I am repeating again. What do you mean by thumbnail? Question mark. How can you arrange a picture as thumbnail in the scratch area? In the scratch area. SCRATCH. In the scratch area. Question mark. Now for the answer, you are going to take out your page number. You are going to take out your page number 83. Page number 83. In page number 83, you have seen this thumbnail paragraph. Arranging pictures thumbnail paragraph. We are going to mark the first line. A thumbnail is a graphic image in reduced size which helps in organizing pictures and to save space. Up to your space. Up to your space. A thumbnail is a graphic image in reduced size which helps in organizing pictures and to save space. Then you will change the paragraph. Change the paragraph and write. Change the paragraph and write. We can arrange pictures. We can arrange pictures. We can arrange pictures. We can arrange pictures as thumbnails. We can arrange pictures as thumbnails in the scratch area. In the scratch area. In the scratch area. In the scratch area by the following steps. By the following steps. We can arrange pictures as thumbnails in the scratch area by the following steps. Give a hyphen. Then in the next line you will write step 1. Step 1. Step 1. Have you seen in page number 83 number 1 is written? Make it step 1. Click the format tab under the picture tools. Up to your picture tools. Then in the next line you will write step 2. Step 2. Click the arrange thumbnails button in the arrange group. Full stop. The picture the pictures get arranged in the scratch area. The picture gets GTS, make it GTS, gets arranged in the scratch area. I am repeating the same question and answer again. What do you mean by thumbnail? How can you arrange picture as thumbnails in the scratch area? Answer. A thumbnail is a graphic image in reduced size which helps in organizing pictures and to save space. Full stop. Then you will change the paragraph and write, we can arrange pictures as thumbnails in the scratch area by the following steps. Next line, step 1, click the format tab under picture tools. Then in the next line, step 2, click the arrange thumbnail button in the arrange group. No need to write figures, okay? Full stop. The pictures get arranged in the scratch area up to your scratch area. Written. Then you write the next question. What do you mean by building blocks? What do you mean by building blocks? BUILDING, building blocks. BLOCKS, blocks, question mark. Explain the types of building blocks in Publisher. Explain the types of building blocks in Publisher. BUILDING, building blocks. BLOCKS, building blocks in Publisher. PUBLISHER, publisher. Written the question. Now for the answer you write, building blocks are another set of objects in Publisher that usually contain, okay, I am repeating this answer again. Building blocks are set of objects. No need to write another, okay, don't write another. In page number 86 you will get this building block. You are going to mark from the first line, building block are set of, don't write another, okay, are set of objects in Publisher that usually contain a combination of text, shapes and images up to your second line, images. I am repeating again. Building blocks are set of objects in Publisher that usually contain a combination of text, shapes and images. Full stop. Change the paragraph and write, building blocks are, you will write in Publisher, second paragraph, okay, you are going to change the paragraph and write, in Publisher, there are four types of building blocks. In Publisher, there are 4 types of building blocks. Full stop. They are explained below. EXPLAINED. Explained below. BLOW, below. Give a hyphen. Then you write in the next line, Roman number 1. Page parts. You are going to take out page number 87. In there you will see page parts. You make it Roman number 1. Page parts, underline, hyphen. These are placeholders with images and text up to your text. Then you will write Roman number 2. Next line, Roman number 2, calendars, underline, hyphen. This is a gallery of calendar formats up to your formats. Then you will see Roman number 3, borders and accents. Borders and accents. Underline hyphen. These are graphic elements for adding borders, frames, etc. up to your etc. Then Roman number 4, advertisement. Roman number 4, advertisement. Advertisement. Underline hyphen. Underline hyphen. This building block has a set of templates for advertisement with the help of which we can, in place of you write we, with the help of which we can create our own ads, up to your ads, up to your ads. Clear? So here I have given you 4 types of building blocks. You have to give Roman number 1, 2, 3, 4, underline, hyphen and write the answers. Okay? So today students, how many question answers I have given you? I have given you 2 question and answers. Is not it? First one is, what do you mean by thumbnail? How can you arrange pictures as thumbnails in the scratch area? And number 2, the next one is, what do you mean by building blocks? Explain the types of building blocks in Publisher. So students, these 2 answers you are going to learn as your homework. Clear? These 2 answers are very important. So you are going to learn as your homework. I think so no doubts regarding your thumbnails and building blocks. So write these 2 answers very neatly, nicely in your computer copies and learn these 2 answers as your homework. In my next class, I will explain you the rest part of this chapter number 5. So students, now I am winding up my class here. Thank you to all and have a nice day ahead.